Are you looking for a home in Hickory, North Carolina that's conveniently located? Check out 605 18th Street Northwest with me. This 1,900 square foot home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, flex space. We have an area where you can have a home office, conveniently located hall bath, nice sized bedrooms, and beautifully finished wood floors. Spacious kitchen, bedrooms that overlook the backyard. Primary bedroom has a private deck that overlooks the backyard with an attached ensuite bathroom. This area can be a den or a dining room. Beautiful granite counters, white cabinets, a butcher block island. Large backyard, an unfinished basement that is ready for you to have whatever your heart desires with recreation, workout space, storage, and it also comes with an attached garage and area for a workshop. This home sits on a corner lot. DM me for more information.